National Center for Therapeutics Manufacturing specializes in workforce development and contract research projects for the biomanufacturing industry. Our team has expertise in traditional recombinant proteins, vaccines, and gene therapy products. So we've been in existence a little over 10 years, and really our bread and butter is our hands-on manufacturing scale training. So we're taking people that have anywhere from no experience at all in biologics to PhDs in the sciences, and we're training them how to work in the biomanufacturing industry specifically. We have a really talented team. We have people that are trained in upstream processing, downstream processing. We have a very talented QC team as well, so we can really touch on a lot of the areas of biomanufacturing that are going to be applicable to industry. We've always tried to tailor our trainings to be manufacturing and industry oriented, but what we've done to the facilities, we've given it a major facelift. So one of the really big benefits of the renovation is that we're able to treat each training as a true CGMP experience for students. So not only are they getting that hands-on experience with the specific equipment, they're also getting exposed to other CGMP principles. CGMP, or current good manufacturing practices, is something that we really try to achieve here at NCTM. For CGMP processing that are going to be really important for companies to see in their employees, we're able to actually train on now. We're a really unique facility in that we can simulate CGMP operations in a training environment. We also have pilot and manufacturing scale equipment that we can allow students to train on, and that includes both reusable hard pipe systems as well as single-use systems. There aren't very many facilities like this in the nation. I can count probably on one hand the number of training facilities that have the resources that we do. So it's kind of a good resource for both companies as well as for A&M to be able to both do training as well as contract projects.